Can't you believe it's already Friday? Well, today let's start off your morning with 3 different jokes. What do you call an astronaut's favorite key on the computer? The space bar. Did you get it? Well, second joke is, why was the math book so sad? It had so many problems. Well, third joke is, what do you call a pig who does karate? A pork chop. Did you get it? Well, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Well, bye.
First, happy Friday. Today is day 2 in case you were wondering. Have a great day.
Hello, Leaspers, and welcome back to Weather at Home. Today, before we start the weather, let's start off with a little joke. What type of cloud is so lazy because it will never get up? The answer is fog. Anyway, let's get to the weather for today. Today's weather is partly cloudy with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 67 degrees. The chance of rain is 20. The wind speed is 8 miles per hour and the direction is north-northwest. You can be expecting some rain, but when it's sunny, spend your time outdoors. Well, now that we know today's weather, let's look at tomorrow's weather. Tomorrow's weather is partly cloudy again, with a high of 89 degrees and a low of 70 degrees. And there's still a 20% chance of rain. This time, it's north winds, 5 miles per hour. It's warmer tomorrow, so spend time playing your favorite games, including tag, hide and seek, etc. Well, now let's look at Sunday's weather. Sunday's weather is partly cloudy with a high of 89 degrees and a low of 69 degrees, with a 10% chance of rain. The wind speed is 10 miles per hour and the direction is northeast-east. Sunday can be a little cooler, but warm with some wind is nice weather, so go outside. Bye, Leaspers, and I hope you enjoy the weather for today and over the weekend. Bye!
Good morning, Leaspers.
Good morning. Happy Friday.
We're so glad that you are here. Today is day 2 on our rotation, and it's Patriot Day. So we know that our morning broadcast is going to have a special segment on that. And so today's a great day to wear your red, white, and blue and be patriotic. I'm wearing my blue.
Yes.
We're so glad you're here today. It is Friday. You've got your house meetings, and it is going to be a fabulous one. Mrs. Howard, can you let us know who our Super Spurs are for the week?
I sure can. So our first Super Spur goes to Corey Shannon in Miss Shin's Red 4 class for great listening skills. Our next one is for Julian with Miss Dennis in Blue 1 for showing independence and responsibility. And our last one today, we're just going to announce 3, is Virat in Miss Howard's Green 3 class for showing perseverance. So designers, just a reminder to make sure that you are submitting those digital Super Spurs that we can announce on Friday. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you so much, students, for demonstrating great character traits. And we also want to thank those of you who are remembering to bring your iPads fully charged and your chargers so that you're able to participate in all of your learning during the day. If you're at home, each night when you go to bed, one of the things that you should do, a practice at home, is to plug in and charge your iPad so it's ready to go for your day of learning and you could take your iPad anywhere. All right, well, we hope everyone has a fantastic Friday here at Lee. Have a great day.
Bye, everybody.
Today is Texas First Responders Day, a day in which we honor fire rescue, police, hospitals, and other trained emergency personnel for their bravery, courage, and determination in assisting others during emergencies. Today is also the 19th anniversary of the terrorist attacks that took place in New York, Pennsylvania, and Virginia on September 11, 2001. Today's moment of silence is 1 minute and in memory of all those who lost their lives on September 11th, 2001. Please be standing for our moment of silence.
Hi, Spurs. Welcome back to the Leadership Tip and Quote of the Week. Before we get started, I want to tell you a joke. What do you call a dog that plays football? A golden receiver. Now let's move on to the Leadership Tip and Quote of the Week. This week's word of the week is patriotism. Definition of the week is patriotism means love for or devotion to one's country. The quote of the week is, "I only regret that I have one life to lose for my country," by Nathan Hale. This week's tip of the week is, stand up for what you believe in. You shouldn't take no for an answer if your heart and mind are leading you in a direction that you feel strongly about.
Aloha, Lee Spurs. Today I'm going to tell you what the birthdays are. Yesterday's birthdays were Abiram in R4 and Bihan in B3. Today's birthdays are Lyric in G4. Well, thanks for listening to the birthday segment, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Bye!
And the answer for the previous episode of Guess the Country was Haiti. The Guess the Country winners from last episode are Ishani in G3A. Congratulations.
Good morning, Lee Spurs. Today we are going to be making Rolo Pretzel Delights. The things you will need are a cookie sheet, mini pretzels, pecan halves, and Rolos, and your oven set to 350 degrees. Make sure you have a parent help you. The first step is open your pretzels and put them on your cookie sheet, and make sure they're aligned evenly. Once you have your pretzels lined up, open your Rolos and put one on each pretzel. Now that all of your Rolos are ready, you put them in the oven for about 3 minutes. So now that you've got them aligned, put them in the oven. I've lined up all my pecans because the next step you have to work fast. Once they're done out of the oven, put your pecans on top of the Rolos and push firmly. Once you have your pecans set onto your Rolos, then it's time for them to cool off. You can put them in the refrigerator for a little bit if you want. And there you have it. I like to make these during the holidays. Bye!
Good morning, Lee Spurs, and happy Friday. It is Mrs. Garvin, your school counselor, here to announce the leaders of the week. We have Anderson, who was nominated by Miss Barley for patriotism. Jayadev, nominated by Miss Jacob. Dev, nominated by Miss Vargas. Sfar, nominated by Miss Jennings. Pratik, nominated by Miss Wood. Harper, nominated by Miss Wagner. Arya, nominated by Miss Hardy. Pratham, nominated by Miss Reeves. Kyan, nominated by Miss Burt. Tarun, nominated by Miss Pekarsky. Arav, nominated by Miss Hunt. Samriti, nominated by Miss Wilkerson. Urara, nominated by Miss Shin. Shriyan, nominated by Miss Ray for excellence. Derek, nominated by Miss Howard. Akash, nominated by Miss Dennis. Sarayu, nominated by Miss Saucedo. And Sai, nominated by Miss Ray. Congratulations to all of those leaders nominated for their patriotism. Sanjay was nominated by Miss Hunt for tolerance. Angad was nominated by Miss Saucedo for tolerance. Aruna was nominated by Miss Mitchell for tolerance. Congratulations to those learners who were nominated. Have a great Friday.
Everyone, and welcome back to Fitness Tips. Today we're going to be resuming karate. So if you weren't here for the last episode, you guys don't know that I'm a black belt in at Cockrell Taekwondo Academy. I really highly recommend it. So we're going to step out into a sitting stance, knife hands. All right, you ready? Sitting stance is when you bend your knees, feet forward, and we're just gonna do karate chops, like karate chop. All right, so we'll go up to 10. Yell after each move. You ready? 1, aya. 2, aya. 3, aya. 4, aya. 5, aya. 6, aya. 7, aya. 8, aya. 9, aya. 10, aya. Okay, so the next move we're going to be doing is put your belly button to the side, and we're going to be doing side kicks. If you don't know what a side kick is, 3 simple moves. You ready? Pivot your foot back, and then chamber, pivot, pull your knee back, and then push. Pivot, pull, push. Let's do 5 of those. You ready? 1, aya. 2, aya. 3, aya. 4, aya. And 5, aya. Okay, guys. So so the next move we're going to be doing is go into a closed stance, which is feet together, and we are going to be doing. How about we do twin punches? Okay. So we're going to, a twin punch is when you punch like to the nose, but twin. All right, you ready? 1, aya. 2, aya. 3, aya. 4, aya. And 5, aya. So that is it for today's episode of Fitness Tips. Hope you had fun.
Thank you for joining us today on Lee Live. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.